Here's a 2015 Buick Verano. Everything you dreamed a drive could be is packed into this Verano. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rear view mirror, remote engine start, front heated bucket seats, automatic transmission, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and OnStar 4G LTE Wi-Fi hotspot. New Car Test Drive was wowed by the Verano, noting cornering, transmission, suspension, and engine all aces. Experience a different kind of luxury with a Buick. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.